Hello everyone and welcome back to Tutorials Point. Today in this video, I will guide you on how to fix OkCupid location errors. So now let's get started. First of all, check the location settings. Ensure that location services are enabled on your device. The next step is restarting the app. Simply close and reopen OkCupid to refresh location data. You can also try toggling off the location and turning it back again. And also make sure that you have the latest version of the OkCupid app. And after that, last but not the least, simply reboot your phone to resolve any location sync issues. So this is how to fix OkCupid location errors. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.